Today we are exploring Jaipur, the capital of the North Indian state of Rajasthan. Is named after its founder Maharaja Jai Singh. The city is surrounded by hills and dotted with forts. Houses with pink lattice windows line the streets and look almost magical at sunset. You can go there by car and flight. I took flight from Goa to Jaipur. There are various and luxurious hotels in Jaipur where you can stay. Jaipur is popular by the name Pink City and is the largest city in the Indian state of Rajasthan. It is also believed to be one of the initial planned cities of the nation. राजस्थान आए और बिरला मंदिर नहीं गए ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So today we are going to Birla Mandir. Unfortunately, Albert Museum was closed, but I managed to take some shots from outside. So now you can see why it is called Pink City. यहाँ पे सब इमारत पिंक कलर के हैं. हवा महल is famous because of its amazing and unique architect. 953 windows or jharokas are beautifully incorporated in the honeycomb design of this palace. You can go inside if you want. अब हम जाएंगे सिटी पैलेस. It is located in the heart of old Jaipur. The city palace is a spectacular example of the amalgamation of Rajput and Mughal architecture. So this lavish place includes the living quarters of the erstwhile royal family, some of whom still reside in private wing. So अभी हम हैं दीवाने एम में. यहाँ के राजा गंगाजल पीते थे और वो उस बड़े से वेसल में. Often they carry their Gangajal from train. The Maharani's palace showcases one of the largest collections of weapons in the country, and at Diwane Khas stands two gigantic silver vessels. So अभी हम आए हैं मुबारक महल में. Mubarak Mahal houses the Maharaja Savai Man Singh Second Museum, which displays the royal family's personal belongings like garments featuring executive embroideries. ये तो अभी नहीं बजा रही हूँ, बट इट इंडिकेट्स कि राजा के खाने का टाइम हो गया है. इट इज कूल ना. सो इस दीवार के एग्जैक्टली पीछे पब्लिक मीटिंग हॉल है, बट कैमरा वॉज नॉट अलाउड, सो आई टुक सम शॉट्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. हियर कम्स अ जयपुरी Kathaputli dance. They themed on Michael Jackson. I know, it's quite interesting. So you can buy these Kathaputlis. This observatory consists of 19 instruments for measuring time, predicting eclipses, tracking location of major stars as the Earth orbits around the Sun. Or you can take a guide if you want. जी हाँ, guide भी available है. If you want a detailed information about the Jantar Mantar Observatory, you can ask for a guide. उस टाइम में भी ये ऑब्जर्वेटरी एकदम एक्यूरेट टाइम बताती थी, जितना अपना फ़ोन और वॉच भी नहीं बता सकते उतना एक्यूरेट. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस बिग यंत्र. इट इज़ कॉल्ड सम्राट यंत्र. इट ऑल्सो फीचर्स द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट स्टोन sundial and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Samrat Yantra is so accurate that its shadows moves visibly at 1 mm per second or roughly a hand's breadth every minute, which can be a profound experience to watch. This whole yantra built from local stone and marble. Each instrument carries an astronomical scale generally marked on the marble inner lining. And इसकी सबसे खास बात है कि यूरोपियन इनोवेशंस इन एस्ट्रोनॉमी वेर ओनली स्लाइटली मोर एक्यूरेट than the medieval Hindu instruments that Jai Hind had created. palace in the middle of Mansagar Lake in Jaipur city, the capital of the state of Rajasthan. Now our last destination is Amer Fort. In the pink city of Jaipur, cradled on the top of the Aravalli Hill lies the Amer Fort, one of the most magnificent palace in India, also commonly known as the Amber Fort. Only 11 kilometers away from the capital city of Jaipur, Amer Fort is clad in pink and yellow sandstone and is part of an extensive complex built by one of the most trusted general of Akbar, Maharaja Man Singh, in the year 1592. और हाँ, अमेर फोर्ट सर्व एज द मेन रेसिडेंस ऑफ द राजपूत रूलर्स। जो अभी हम देख रहे हैं वो है मोथा लेक इन द टाउन ऑफ अमेर, विच इज़ यूज्ड टू सर्व एज द कैपिटल ऑफ द ईस्ट वेल जैसुर princely state. The fort is big enough that it will take you at least 2 or 3 hours to explore it in detail, and you can also choose to avail of the audio guides to lead you through this fascinating building while explaining the history of the palace. ये वही सेम स्पॉट है जहाँ पे जोधा अकबर मूवी में एक शूट सीन किया गया था, जहाँ पे ऐश्वर्या रॉय पिजन के साथ खेलती हुई दिखाई देती है। और वो पीछे गाना भी बजता है। सो अब हम आए हैं शीशा महल। Sheesh Mahal is a magnificent piece of architecture built with beautiful precious stones and glass and with beautiful handmade paintings. Sheesh Mahal is the most popular and beautiful part of Amer Fort. It is situated in Amer. So now you can see the beautiful glass all over the palace. अभी आप जो देख रहे हैं वो सुख महल. It is another hall opposite to the Sheesh Mahal and is built of sandalwood and ivory. Now इसी के साथ we'll take a leave और हम ऐसे ही ट्रिप करते रहेंगे और आपको वीडियोस दिखाते रहेंगे.